Understanding, kindly reply by, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase, kindly reply by. This is a common expression used in formal communications, and understanding it can really help in both professional and personal contexts. Let's get started. Kindly reply by is a phrase often seen in formal requests, especially in emails or invitations. It's a polite way of asking someone to respond or take an action before a specific deadline. The word kindly adds a tone of courtesy to the request. 1. Kindly. This word is used to make the request polite and gentle. It shows respect for the recipient. 2. Reply. This means to respond or answer to the sender. 3. By, used to indicate the deadline or the latest time by which the response is expected. This phrase is commonly used in 1. Business emails, when a response is needed by a certain date. 2. Event invitations, to know the number of attendees by a certain date. 3. Formal requests, such as asking for information or a decision. Here's an example sentence. Kindly reply by the 5th of March if you wish to attend the seminar. While this phrase is polite and formal, there are other ways to convey the same message. 1. Please respond by. 2. Your response is needed by. 3. We would appreciate a reply by. These alternatives maintain the polite and formal tone while offering variety in expression. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase, kindly reply by. It's a useful expression in formal communication, and now you can use it confidently in your emails and invitations. Remember, it's all about being polite and setting a clear deadline. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.